Hey everybody, it's Cindy, the Scrapologist on Etsy, and I'm here with another flip through. I got a new camera, so I'm using it to show everybody some of the albums in my shop. As I said in a previous video, just having photographs doesn't really do these albums justice. It's so much nicer to be able to flip through the whole thing with you so you can see exactly what you're getting before you buy it. This is made with Graphic 45 vintage Hollywood paper and is a star-studded theme, if you will. It has a closure that just slips off kind of like a belly band with a belt, a kind of a rhinestone buckle there. And the cover has a pocket where you can put photos or journal on these cards. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 of those plus a tag and whatever else you want to put inside. There's a pretty little glittery star on the cover. This is a folio style album, so it opens like this and it opens like this. Look at what a beautiful spread. This is actually a bonus piece that goes inside. I'll show you that in a moment. But these side pieces pull out. So there's one, and you can put photos all along these. This right-hand side piece also pulls out. There's a pocket on the inside, and you can put, you can't quite fit an 8x10 on here. Let's see. But almost. You could fit a 7.5x10, so if you cropped an 8x10 photo, you could get it on here. And there's the back. 2 more photos can go there. And then there's a pocket here. It's an accordion pocket, so it accommodates this right side cover, but there's plenty of room in there to also put some other stuff in there. And then there's another pocket here, room for photos here, and this is not fixed down so that you can, when you put your photo on, you can put it partially under there. You can use the whole photo mat. Same with here. And then the right side, another pocket, and 2 more photo mats, a pocket, along with a couple of little cards that I put in there that you can put photos on. So this is what the whole inside looks like. And then here we have 4 pockets, 2 large pockets and 2 small pockets. And I put a tag in each. Tag and room for a photo mat for photos. Same with there. And then a photo mat and a photo mat. And this is what the back looks like. Gorgeous vintage Hollywood paper. So this all goes very easily right back together. And there's your album. Whoops, hang on, I said easily and now I'm having trouble. There we go. So again, once it's back together, it flips open like this. Then this center piece that goes in here is just a bifold, a spread here for photos, 2 pockets with a couple of tags, 2 tags. And then on the front and on the back, you have 2 cards each. So there are cards that come out of these pockets. So there's 1, there's 2, on the back. There's two more. And one more here. So there's room for journaling. You can put a photo, a 4x6 on here, either portrait or landscape. Whatever you want to do. It's your album. Okay, and that just folds neatly in there. You put your belly band back on, or your ribbon, whatever you want to call this, back on. Just to help hold it all neatly together. And there is the Vintage Hollywood Folio. I hope you like it. I'll give a link down below as to where you can buy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.